Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Jammu Airbus attack. Probe suggests two drones dropped explosives pulled back by handlers later. No trace has been found of the two drones that dropped explosives at the Indian Air Force Station in Jammu on Sunday. Top government sources told India Today, adding that it is likely that they were pulled back by the handlers later. The agencies involved in the probe did a careful investigation of the debris and its surroundings but found no clue about the drones. The agencies are not trying to trace the drones through any internal or external CCTV footage. Agencies have said now it is almost certain that the drones were launched from a nearby area. The drones used in the attack by terrorists are small quadcopters, and it is possible that they took off from close proximity of their air base. Any bigger drone would have been detected and come to the notice of radars in the area, the sources said. The investigation in the incident are still going on and more details would emerge once they are completed, they said. Multiple agencies have been involved and all the air vessels have been put on high alert to prevent any such possible attack by terrorists. Two drones were used to carry out an attack inside the Air Force base in Jammu on Sunday, sources said. There was no damage to any aircraft in the blast. Two personnel suffered minor injuries, they said. One of the blasts caused minor damage to the roof of a building while the other exploded in an open area. There was no damage to any equipment, the IAF said. Wimbledon 2021, I can still play at the highest level, says Andy Murray after making a winning return. Two-time former champion Andy Murray survived a close scare to beat Georgian Nikoloz Vasilashvili 6-4, 6-3, 5-7, 6-3 on Monday in his first single match at Wimbledon for 4 years. Murray, who won the title at the All England Club in 2013, giving Britain its first male champion there in 77 years. And again in 2016, but since has needed to hip operation and dealt with other assorted injuries. I keep getting asked, is this going to be my last Wimbledon, last match? I don't know why I keep getting asked about it. Like, no, I am going to keep playing. I want to play, said Murray during an interview to the court. I am enjoying it and I can still play at the highest level, Murray said when he resumed speaking. He is ranked 28th in the world and I have hardly played any matches and I beat him. Vasilashvili, the 24th seed, made a strong comeback in the third set and won 7 successive games to send the match into the fourth set. With darkness descending over the All England club, the players left the court while the sliding roof was closed and light switched on to enable match to be completed. 5-0 in the third set, Murray was broken 3 times in a row and lost even consecutive games. He twice was 1 point from winning while ahead 5-3 in that set before briefly losing this week. That's never happened to me before in my career, Murray said, but there are things that can happen when you haven't played any matches. On playing his first singles at the center court for 4 years, the former world number 1 said, "It's amazing to be back out here playing again on the center court. Such a brilliant atmosphere. I have missed playing in front of the fans. It was an amazing reception when I came out." Euro 2020, Kylian Mbappe will bounce back after penalty miss, says France coach Didier Deschamps. France coach Didier Deschamps is confident that striker Kylian Mbappe will bounce back from missing the decisive penalty in France shootout loss to Switzerland on Monday that saw the world champions exit Euro 2020 at the last 16 stage. Deschamps said the striker and the rest of the team would learn from their tournament disappointment. It will help everyone, I think. Kylian, even if he didn't score a goal, he was decisive in many actions that we had, and he took responsibility to take this penalty, said Deschamps during a news conference. No one is really angry with him. I talked to our players, we know the strength of this team. We have had many magnificent moments together. Today it really hurts, there are lots of sadness, he added. France had been trying to win back-to-back major titles for the second time. The French won the World Cup in 1998 and followed that up with the title at Euro 2000. 5 years ago, France lost in the Euro 2016 final but then won the 2018 World Cup. Mbappe was only 19 when France won the title in Moscow, and he became the youngest player since Pelé in 1958 to score in a World Cup final. The Brazilian great was quick to offer his support after the heartbreaking miss in Bucharest. Keep our head up, Kylian. Tomorrow is the first day of a new journey, Mbappe, the Brazil great, wrote on Twitter. Today we were against a strong Swiss team. They gave us some problems in the first half, and of course France is used to heavy, compact opponents, Deschamps explained. Mostly we are on the good end, but today we are not, and everyone is really sad. Everyone is really disappointed. Twitter drops incorrect map showing Jammu and Kashmir Ladakh outside India after backlash from netizens. Hours after countering controversy by displaying a distorted map of India showing Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh as a separate country, Twitter dropped the incorrect map from its website. The map was being appeared on the career section of the microblogging platform, showing Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh detached from the country. This is, however, not the first time that Twitter has shown a distorted map of India. The center had last year written to Twitter CEO conveying its strong disapproval over the misrepresentation of the map of India after Twitter showed the geolocation of Leh in Jammu and Kashmir, People's Republic of China. In a warning, the government said any attempt by Twitter to disrespect India's sovereignty and integrity is totally unacceptable. The incorrect map triggered a heavy backlash from netizens who demanded strict action against the microblogging platform. Twitter and the government have been at the loggerheads over multiple instances in the past months, including during the farmers' protests and later when the microblogging platform tagged political posts of several leaders of the ruling party BJP as manipulated media, triggering a sharp rebuke from the center. The government has slammed Twitter for deliberate defiance and failure to comply with the new IT rules, which has led to microblogging platform losing its legal shield as an intermediary in India and becoming liable for users posting any unlawful content. The appointment of California-based Harmy Kessel, however, is not in line with new IT rules. The new IT guidelines mandate that all nodal officials, including the grievance redressal officer, should be based out of India.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.